Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change a pattern or theme in the Shein app. Let's dive in. Open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Shein application on the home page in the lower right corner, you can see your profile that says Me and then click on it. Then in the upper left corner, you can see your name, which you will be clicked on. Clicking on your name will open a page where you can see your template. In order to change it, you must click on it. By clicking on the template, a small window will open at the bottom of the screen where you can click on the Select Template option. And here it is, the application will open a drop-down menu with the offered template. It's up to you to choose the one you want and click on it. When you select a new pattern, your Shein app will automatically update to reflect the new design. It's a fun way to freshen up your shopping experience. And that's all. Now you know how to change a pattern or theme in the Shein app, giving you complete control over your look. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.